You're not getting ghosted. You're making this one mistake. I want to talk to you about something I hear from other photographers constantly. And when I say constantly, I mean multiple times a week. I see it online, I see it on social, I hear it. I'm getting inquiries and then they disappear. I send pricing and then I never hear back. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Everyone's just a budget shopper and we're all oversaturated and AI is taking over. If that's you, take a deep breath, like just for a second, because what is actually happening is probably not what you think is happening. You're probably not just getting ghosted, you're accidentally ghosting them. And once you understand this, it'll change everything.
Give it to us raw and vital.
Welcome to the Raw Files, the podcast where photographers and videographers get inside the scoop on the latest in the visual world. No fluff, just real talk on gear, trends, and the stories that shape what we create. Think of it as your go-to escape to the creative island where you get inspired, pick up fresh tips, and stay ahead of the curve. Let's go. I should say let's shoot. Let's shoot.
Raw files. It's raw.
Hey photographers, before we jump in, I just want to take a minute to thank our sponsor, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. Now, if you are a photographer who's thinking about having a website, think about using Squarespace. And let me just tell you, this isn't hype. I personally have used Squarespace for well over a decade for so many of the websites I have had in the past. It's one of the biggest front-facing things I've done for my business. And here's why. Number one, it's beautiful, photographer friendly, tons of templates. Your website is your first impression, and Squarespace gives you clean, modern templates that make your photos look like $1,000,000 without needing a designer. Drag, drop, done. And of course, you could hire Squarespace designers. There's a ton of them. It also has built-in SEO that actually works. The galleries, that's another big thing. They make sure they don't take forever to load. Squarespace's engine optimizes the way that your photos look, so they're always crisp and clean, even on mobile. Fourth, integrated client booking tools and contracts. If you're trying to go to e-commerce and delivering, maybe you're selling prints, Squarespace keeps everything all in one place. If you've been trying to DIY your website or use something else, stop. Give yourself the same professional presence you give to your clients. Head over to Squarespace. I've got a discount for you. You can use this code. Thank you again, Squarespace, for sponsoring me, this channel, and supporting photographers and supporting this community, making it possible for myself and photographers everywhere to keep working. Okay. Back to the video. My name is Vanessa Joy. I'm a wedding portrait corporate photographer for the past 20 years and a business coach. I got a message from a photographer recently, Rachel Parcel Photography, and she had this exact complaint. I'm struggling to get inquiries, and when I do get them, I get ghosted most of the time. I go back and forth on whether I should include pricing or try to get on a phone call first. Once I have clients, they absolutely love me, but getting them is my biggest struggle. Rachel, when I read your email, I felt it, because I have absolutely been there before. And if you have been photographing for any amount of time, photographers listening, I know you have been there too. And before I go any further, I just want to say this clearly, because I don't want you listening for 30 minutes and thinking okay, but how do I fix this? This exact issue, inquiries, ghosting, pricing, conversations, confidence in doing your sales appointments, this is something we walk through in depth in my Photo to Profit system. So if this hits home for you, check out the link or DM me Photo Mastermind. You don't need to do it right now, but just know this exists while I break it down. I'm going to break down as much as I can here. So let's talk about the big misconception, what's actually happening, because most photographers are saying, well, they're asking for pricing because that's all they say, right? It's all they care about. And I sent pricing and then they disappeared. So the conclusion is everybody wants it cheap. Someone's doing it cheaper, whatever. But the truth is they didn't just disappear, they disengaged. And that distinction matters, because then we can ask ourselves, why? Why did they disengage? And I'm not talking at you here. I've sat at my desk before, remembering those moments so clearly, staring at my inbox wait, didn't I get 5 inquiries last week? Or, I sent out 3 pricing emails and then I hear absolutely nothing back. No follow-up, no thanks, but no thanks. Just radio silence. And I remember feeling annoyed and almost offended and, a little holier than thou, like, oh, they're just cheap. Or why can't people just tell me that they're not interested? Like, so rude. How do you not even write me back? But then I went back and I reread my emails. And that's when I realized something a little bit uncomfortable. Every single one of them was about me, my packages, my process, my pricing, my experience, zero about them. And once I saw it, once you see it, you're not going to be able to unsee it, just like I could not unsee it, because this is what's happening when somebody inquires. They're not just asking for pricing, right? They like your work, but they're a little bit unsure. Obviously it's a little bit awkward. Maybe they feel like they're going to waste money, get burned. Lord knows that we've seen those conversations and things that happen. When you only respond back with pricing, they have to do all of the emotional work themselves, and it doesn't relate to them. They don't feel seen. They don't have anything different than if they were in Target looking at the bottom price, below the thing that they want to buy. Like, that's essentially what you're doing. So number one, obviously you want to get a response from them, a response to them really quickly. And I get it. You have to do it quickly, definitely automated. It doesn't need to be fancy. Something really quick, preferably within 60 seconds of them inquiring. Maybe you even just send a quick email. Hey, while I go to the calendar to make sure I'm available for your day, tell me, what is it you really want out of your photos? Now they're invested. Now you're having a conversation. You're not just like sending them a bunch of information that, too long didn't read, right? And when they respond, and this is where most photographers mess it up, both in the email and when they actually talk to them on the phone, is they don't answer them, or they jump straight to pricing, or they jump straight to the process. There's no emotional connection, right? We want to make sure that we are connecting with them emotionally, and it does not matter if it's corporate or portrait or wedding, because you have to be able to relate to them. One of my mastermind students, Nicole, told me this strategy just entirely changed the energy. She stopped bracing for this like rejection and getting scared about pricing, and it shifted into, being more positive. And one of the things that photographers fight me the hardest on is pricing on your website. And it can be just a pricing range, but yes, really. I used to I've been around for a while. We used to hide our pricing. We didn't put them on, and you get them on the call only to hear, you're too expensive. And then dude, it's gone forever. My time's valuable. So now my pricing is visible. And the people that can't actually afford you, they ghost you before wasting your time. And that's a win. We call that pre-qualifying a client, because time is your most valuable asset. So put your prices, range of prices, starting price, I don't care what it is. And can you convince price shoppers to book? Yeah, sometimes, but you don't want to build your business around that, right? The goal is not to convert everyone, to book every single job. The goal is to book the jobs that are right for you, with people who value you, with people who respect your time and your craft, and they believe in what you do already. By the way, yes, I had blood drawn twice today. Anyway, sorry. I know you're probably looking at that, but let me say this clearly. You're not getting ghosted because you're too expensive. Most of the time, you're getting ghosted because maybe you took too long to respond. You made it all about you. Ultimately, you didn't create a connection, and you sounded like every other flippin' photographer they emailed and they contacted. The good news though is that all this is completely fixable. So Rachel, once clients book you, they love you. That tells me everything I need to know. Your work is great. You just need a better system to get people there. Inside the Photo to Profit system, we build that process with you, that inquiry to booking system. I give you email templates that actually convert, pricing strategies that stop the ghosting, and confidence when you actually speak to them, so you're not bracing for this rejection. The link below, if you're ready, you can just go ahead and take a look more about that Photo to Profit system. But they're not ghosting you because you're too expensive. They're ghosting you because you didn't make them feel anything. So go make them feel seen. And then after that, the pricing becomes easy. Thank you so much for listening or watching to this podcast episode of The Raw Files. See you next time.